The movie opens with an eerie, almost suffocating silence. It's day 89 of an unknown catastrophe. We meet the Abbott family, Evelyn, Lee, and their 3 children, searching for supplies in an abandoned pharmacy. Their youngest son, Beau, innocently picks up a toy rocket, but the danger isn't in the toy, it's in the batteries. As they walk home barefoot on a path of sand, disaster strikes. Beau turns on the toy, and the sound echoes like a gunshot in the silence. Within seconds, a horrifying creature lunges from the forest and kills him. The screen cuts to black. No screams, just silence and shock. Over a year has passed. Evelyn is pregnant now. The family has adapted to survive in total silence. They speak using sign language, walk on sand paths, and even play board games with soft pieces. Lee, the father, works in the basement trying to build a hearing aid for their deaf daughter Regan, who blames herself for Beau's death. Lee loves her, but they're emotionally distant. Outside, Lee takes his son Marcus to teach him survival skills, while Regan, hurt and rebellious, sneaks off to visit Beau's memorial. The most terrifying part of Evelyn's pregnancy? Labor. How do you give birth without making a sound? One night, while alone, Evelyn's water breaks early. As she descends the stairs, she steps on a nail. The pain makes her drop a picture frame, and the sound is enough. The creature is already in the house. She manages to flip the red warning lights outside, signaling Lee to come. She hides in the bathtub, bleeding and in pain, with a monster inches away. Using fireworks as a distraction, Lee buys her just enough time to deliver her baby. Lee, Marcus, and the newborn hide in the flooded basement. Regan returns and realizes her father never stopped loving her. The hearing aid he made was a way to help her fight. But tragedy isn't over yet. A creature attacks Marcus and Regan. Lee, injured and cornered, sees no way to save them. In his final moments, he signs, "I love you. I have always loved you." Then he lets out a scream, sacrificing himself to save his children. It's heartbreaking, heroic, and silent no more. Regan, devastated, realizes the creature is hurt by high-frequency sound. She places her hearing aid near a microphone, and boom, it screeches. The monster flails in pain, and Evelyn shoots it in the head with a shotgun. Then they look at the security monitors. More creatures are coming. Evelyn cocks the shotgun. A Quiet Place is more than a horror movie. It's a story about family, sacrifice, and survival in silence. It keeps you on edge without saying a single word.